Hey, what is up, guys? Alexa Rivera here from Tech Inspected, and today we are unboxing and doing a first impressions on this guy. This is a remarkably affordable smartphone with a Helio G80 processor for only 5,000 Philippine pesos, about 100 US dollars. This packs a whopping MediaTek Helio G80 processor with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, and it'll be on flash sale this coming February 28, 12 midnight. That's why I'm trying to upload this video as fast as possible, because you should be able to get this advantageous position of buying this product during the Feb 28 flash sale. This is normally 6,000 pesos, so about 1,000 pesos more. And like I said, it's got a Helio G80 processor, 4 gigs of RAM. Now, Helio G80 is normally not available for 5,000 or even 6,000 peso phones. The last 6,000 peso phone, the best processor you can get for 6,000 pesos is the Helio G65, which is a generation below the G80. It's available in the Infinix Hot 10i, which is sold out more places than not. But like I said, stay tuned, because this is a doozy of a phone for only 5,000 pesos if you buy it on Shopee's flash sale for 999 only during Feb 28, 12 midnight to 2 a.m. No? So this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. So we're going to put it through its paces in our preview video in just a bit. But before we get to that, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the video. Okay, let's get it on to unboxing the Coolpad Cool 20. Now you will notice that the box is a little bit smaller than most boxes, and it's made of this red color. It's got some specs on the back here. Coolpad Cool 20. It's 464 Android 11 called Cool OS 2.0 and 100% original. This is a new brand in the Philippines, Coolpad, but it has been available elsewhere. Even this brand has been available elsewhere for quite a while, even back in 2012, if I'm not mistaken. So this has been a long time coming to the Philippines. And here is our Coolpad Cool 20. It does not come with a lot of accessories. As you can see, this is how they sort of lower the cost of the purchase. You can see we have a Type-C cable. Yes, a 5,000 peso phone gets a Type-C cable. Unfortunately, there is no charger in the box, nor is there headphones in the box. But that's fine as long as you do have, you know, your original chargers from other devices and stuff like that. Or you can buy a Coolpad with the charger if you buy it with a bundle. The Coolpad does come with a bundle. Here's the phone itself. As you can see, we do have a silicone case, and I did get one in black. Let's turn it on for a little bit here. There we go, Coolpad. This got a 1600 by 720p IPS display. This is a nice case, by the way. Pretty cool looking Coolpad case. We got a, I don't know, they say it's glass back, but I think this is plastic. It feels plasticky. But we do have some sort of beveled or flat edge on the sides, which sort of reminds you of an iPhone. And then we have the 6.52 inch 1600 by 720p IPS display. And yeah, we got some cameras on the back. I believe that's 48 megapixel with maybe a secondary 2 or maybe a 0.3. I don't really, some specs of this guy is not too clear, but that's fine. We have a full battery right now. We have a 4,500 milliamp hour battery and 10 watts charging. So pretty standard. We have 5 megapixel selfie camera on that little notch right there. We do have a factory installed screen protector. So we'll do a quick setup on this. I know the unboxing section is very short. I don't think there's even a manual or a warranty card inside this thing. So that's pretty short, huh? Yeah, that's kind of interesting. Okay, some interesting thing happened. So there's no Philippines in here, in the region, which is crazy. Hopefully they fix that. Also, I just realized there's no fingerprint scanner on this. I thought it would be on the side, but there's no fingerprint scanner. So we're going to have to do like pin unlock and face unlock, maybe. Hopefully, it has face unlock. Okay, so this is the main user interface of the Coolpad Cool 20. And this, I believe, is running on Android 11. But there are some weird stuff going on in here. So, first of all, I don't see any bloatware in this product, which is crazy. That is great. That's awesome. All right, guys. So while I'm downloading Genshin Impact in the background, I'm just going to show you some of the quirks and features of the Coolpad Cool 20 phone. Our Antutu V9.3.1 score is 214K. We have 5 touch points on the touchscreen. Our wide vine is level 3, which means I believe HD only on Netflix, which shouldn't be too much of a problem for consumers who are buying this kind of smartphone. We have accelerometer, light sensor, orientation sensor, proximity, magnetic. Unfortunately, no gyroscope, but sometimes you don't need that kind of stuff. Anyway, the SIM slot is a hybrid SIM slot, so one SIM and then one micro and SIM. You know, you have to swap micro or SIM if you want dual SIM capability. We do have a headphone jack on top with 3.5 millimeter. There is no fingerprint scanner. There is face unlock though. Let's try that now. And there it goes. So it might have slowly unlocked there because I am also running Genshin Impact in the background. It is slightly getting warm because this is a Helio G80, which is a 12 nanometer process, not exactly the newest, manufacturing level. But yeah, this is still a pretty nice looking phone. I do like the fact that it has no bloatware. Let's check out the camera interface. I do like this camera. We got slow-mo, we got time-lapse. So you can see there's a lot of features in this video app, photo app. By the way, it's slightly slower than usual because I am running Genshin Impact in the background. There's a portrait mode, there's night shot and panorama, and there's even a pro mode, which is crazy. You know, that's kind of a lot of features for a basic, super affordable phone here. The 48 megapixel camera is actually not bad, and you can even toggle HDR here. There is no auto HDR, but the HDR does work from what I've tested. We do have some sample photos here. I will show you these. These are pretty good, I have to admit. Maybe the low light is not the best, but when you do turn on night mode, it does actually look pretty good. Takes photos of flowers and stuff. Autofocus works pretty well. I do like the video capabilities, and actually the camera can zoom in 2 times by cropping onto the 48 megapixel sensor. So quite impressive photos here from a 5,000 peso phone, or let's say it's a 6,000 peso phone if you don't buy it during the flash sale. Use vouchers, by the way, so you can get it even cheaper. So that's about it. I'm going to wait for Genshin Impact to finish downloading so we can do final testing for gaming, and then I will edit this video. Not bad. Alright guys, so here we are playing a Genshin Impact. I've set the graphics to medium with 60 frames per second. Obviously we do not have a flagship processor here, so we are set to medium and 60 FPS. And I don't think it hits 60 FPS while I'm exploring this island right here, but it's probably more than 30. Sometimes, you know, when I'm swiping about, definitely not 30 FPS, but I would say it's good enough. You know, if you want, you can lower the settings a little bit, and you can definitely play Genshin Impact very, very comfortably with this setting. Now let's try and do a Spiral Abyss. We got some frame drop there. This is quite playable, at least. Some frame drops there. I didn't know I was going to fight some fire dudes, fire thingies. Is that the last one? Definitely not. I forgot this was like continuous fight. Oh, I forgot. Frame rate is pretty good. I would say it's about 30 FPS-ish. All right, challenge completed. We did it in how many seconds? I don't know. So there you go. That is Genshin Impact on the Coolpad Cool 20. Definitely way nicer than most 5,000 peso smartphones out there, or 6,000 peso smartphones. This phone definitely punches above its weight, and that's why we like it. All right, guys, so that's about it for our unboxing and first impressions of the Coolpad Cool 20. I think it's pretty good for the 5,000 peso price point, or even 6,000 peso price point. It's pretty hard to beat. I believe the only other phone that has Helio G80 is like the Tecnopova 1 for 6,000 pesos. This comes for 5,000 pesos. There is sacrifices made though. There are no charger or headphones in the box, no fingerprint scanner, which is weird for a phone in 2021, 2022. No Philippine regions and settings, but you do get the correct time anyway, so that's fine. Hybrid SIM slot is a bit of a bummer if you want 2 SIM slots and expandable storage. You know, you have to sacrifice one or the other. 64 gigs is a little bit low, especially for gamers out there, but for the price point, not very easy to complain, because you do get a lot of performance and quality, and the camera is not bad either in the box. So that is our first impressions of the Coolpad Cool 20. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And like I said, this is on flash sale February 28, 12 midnight to 2 a.m. So that is your window. If you're not gonna catch that window, you're gonna be able to pay 6,000 pesos for the 5,999. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.